Hi, I just wanted to share my experience with two-day workshop of Vishal Saini. It's just been 1.5 day, half more day to go, and I I've learned so much about how to cure, how to prevent health issues. um, I have been investing my time into learning about naturopathy and natural ways of healing. I would say consciously for more than 15 years, but um, the level of research, the the details that he shares, the evidence is extremely in-depth work he's put into it. So I just would like to say thank you to Vishal, and I'm looking forward to continue learning from him. Thank you.